What's up, guys? In today's video, I'll show you how to appeal an age restriction on TikTok. First, open TikTok and go to your profile. Tap the menu button in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap Help Center, then select Report a Problem. Here, choose the topic related to your age restriction issue. You may also need to select a subtopic. Follow the suggested steps provided by TikTok. If the suggested solution doesn't fix your problem, tap No. When asked if your problem is resolved, then tap Need more help. You can also scroll down and tap Chat with us to contact TikTok support directly. Explain that your account has been age restricted and that you want to appeal the restriction. Follow the instructions from TikTok support and provide any informations or documents they request. And that's it. That's how you can submit an appeal for an age restriction on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.